Did you hear that? Listen. There, did you hear it? That's the sound of thousands of indie app developers around the world screaming after the news from Apple at the Worldwide Developer Conference that ChatGPT is going to be natively free, available to everyone in iOS 18. Turns out anyone that's made an AI wrapper in the last year, kind of doomed. And guess what? I made 3. Yep, that's right. We all thought Apple was busy making their silly little goggles, but it turns out they've been busy this last year inventing AI. Who knew the A actually stood for Apple in AI? I didn't. This is the first time I'm learning that. Any developer out there knew that Apple was going to be releasing or showing off their AI in this developer conference. The Worldwide Developer Conference, I don't know, this is my second one that I've been excited to see. I've only been a SwiftUI developer now for just over a year. It's kind of like Christmas for developers. We get all these new presents and we get to try all these new things and check out things. But I tell you what, it's not Christmas for everyone. If you've created a ChatGPT wrapper or an AI wrapper app, it's kind of like Santa's come down the chimney and just stolen your presents. When OpenAI released their GPT-4 vision model, I thought now's a good opportunity to jump onto the AI wrapper bandwagon. So I went ahead and created 3 different apps. They're kind of the same, but let's call them different apps. One was a fish scanner. So you catch a fish, take a photo, and it'll tell you what fish you caught. It tracks your location details, and it's trained on marine life. The next was an insect identifier. Pretty much the same thing. It knows your location and it tells you what insect you're looking at and how to safely remove it from your house. And the other one was a vegan ingredient scanner. So you can take a photo of some food, a barcode or ingredients, and it'll tell you whether it's safe to consume if you're vegan or vegetarian. All of it's backed by ChatGPT Vision. And then when ChatGPT 4.0 was released, I switched over to ChatGPT 4.0. It's been doing well. I haven't generated any revenue from it. I haven't actually monetized it. These have all been free that I put onto the App Store. And they've only just started now to gain some momentum, get some downloads. And like we're talking about 1,000 downloads or 2,000 downloads per app. And the thing is, these apps, they're costing me around about $100 a month, over $100 a month to maintain. They're not generating any revenue. I really should jump on that and try to recoup some of those costs. My business strategy has been the long game. So I release the app for free, I get reviews, and I get listed on the App Store rankings. And the whole idea is to have some sort of viral growth to the app where people download it, they use it for free, they give a rating, they recommend it to a friend, grow, grow, grow. Now, I think that logic is probably flawed because all the other AI wrapper apps have all just been hammering the subscriptions and getting as many people subscribing as they possibly can and marketing and marketing and marketing. I may have taken the wrong approach on this one. And then I kind of see where Apple's taking this whole ChatGPT thing, and it makes you think, like, if I've sort of wasted time releasing these for free and trying to sort of build organic App Store optimization, it probably was not the right move. I probably should have followed the business model that the rest of them are doing, which is just to hammer the advertisement for it and get as many people using the apps as possible, get them locked into a weekly or a monthly subscription, and just generate as much revenue as you can until like one of the big companies like Apple comes along and just takes all your revenue from you. So I think that's what I'm going to have to do. I'm going to have to jump onto this bandwagon. I'm going to have to start monetizing these apps and just start generating some revenue from them before iOS 18 comes out, before some sort of feature comes out that makes this whole process obsolete in the first place. So starting first thing this week, I'm going to start implementing a weekly and annual subscription for these apps and start generating some revenue, because I think the days are numbered where ChatGPT wrappers generate the sort of money we're seeing from them, especially when we're seeing big players now get into the field and big players just start to Sherlock all of the apps out there. Has your apps been impacted by the announcement that ChatGPT is going to be built directly into iOS 18? Leave a note in the comment. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think about Apple Intelligence, aka AI. And don't forget to subscribe.